So now over here you can see that I have this web page opened up and I have Thunderbit opened up over here on the right. And let's say I want to start scraping and I don't know anything. In that case, you can simply go ahead and then go for one-click extract. So you can see the current tab is open. So simply click on one-click extract right here. And it'll basically analyze it out right here and detect out everything and will extract out the data for you. So you can see it says AI is taking over right here and it detects out everything on its own and will give you the data, data accordingly. So you can see that you just need to go ahead and wait now. So you can see that it actually goes ahead and goes through the sub pages as well right here. It goes ahead and generates out the template on its own as well. And you can see that it found out its own field right here. And as you go ahead and run it out, it simply goes ahead and start scraping out the data right here. So you can see that this is what you have. It says task is in progress now right here. And it fetches out the data. And then if you open up the live result, you can see that depending on what it found out, it is collecting out the product name, the product URL, the image, the category of it, the colors right here, as you can see right here. And you can simply go ahead and download this out as an Excel, CSV, or JSON file as you want. So this is basically what you have right here. And this is what you can do. So even if you don't know, you're just getting started out with, let's say, data scraping, you can let AI handle it and you got a proper scrape data right here, just like this, as you can see in Excel sheet right here. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.